Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying essentials. Make sure your iPhone 13 Pro Max is updated and your carrier plan allows personal hotspot so tethering works. Once done, check you have cellular data remaining. Running out of data prevents connection. Now open Settings and go to Cellular, then Personal Hotspot, or type Hotspot in Settings Search to jump straight there. This gets you into the right screen fast so you can configure name, password, and toggle the hotspot without wasting time on unrelated menus. You enable Personal Hotspot and immediately note the Wi-Fi password displayed. That's what other devices will use to join. Then, if you need a clearer network name, change the iPhone name in Settings right arrow general right arrow about so devices see an identifiable SSID. Make a decision about compatibility. Toggle Maximize Compatibility when older devices struggle, though it may slightly reduce speed. Also know you can share via Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, or USB. Pick USB for stable, low-latency connections when available. You connect other devices by selecting the iPhone SSID and entering the hotspot password exactly. Case and character errors are common, so type carefully. For USB tethering, connect the lightning cable and tap Trust on the iPhone when prompted. The computer should then use the iPhone for internet. If something goes wrong, try toggling personal hotspot off and on, restart both devices, and as a last resort reset network settings to clear lingering configuration issues. This usually resolves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.